This video is about how to create and post a spotlight video on Snapchat. Now on your camera screen, you need first to change this story video icon to spotlight video icon, and you can also switch from the front to rear camera and make other camera settings accordingly. The next thing is to add music to increase your chances of your video getting selected for the spotlight. And after that, you can go on to record your video or upload a 60 seconds video from your device. And on this next screen, you can use all these features to edit your video. And as you can see, you can add text, links and stickers, or create your own stickers and even make drawings. You can also add more music or record your own sound, mute your video, and even transcribe your video. In addition, you can use this green feature to rotate your video or make other edits and also set how you want your video to play. And below here, you can add some more clips to your video or even add some filters. And after editing your video, you can first save it to your memories or on device or add it to your story or a snap map. And on this next screen, you need to select Spotlight, which is where you want to post your video. And you can also share it to your stories, your friends and groups, or even to other social media platforms. And before posting your video to Spotlight, you can add a topic and a description. And after posting your video, you can always monitor it on your normal Snapchat profile or public profile. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Snapchat and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.